Listening and hearing. Listening and hearing are not the same. Let's watch this video clip and do the activity. Difference between listening and hearing. Hearing is the ability to perceive sound affecting vibrations, changes in the pressure of the surrounding medium to drive through an organ such as the ear. And also hearing is a passive action. Consequence of our auditory system unwittingly captures a sound around as a reaction to external stimuli that happens faster than any other sense. Hearing is simply the act of perceiving sound by the ear, and it simply happens. And how about listening? Listening is the conscious processing of the auditory stimuli that have been perceived through hearing. And also listening means paying attention not only on the story, but also how the story has been told. It means being aware of both verbal and non-verbal messages. In addition, your ability to listen effectively depends on the degree on which you perceive and understand these messages. Listening is the absorption of the words and sentences by the brain, but listening takes attention or sticking to the task in spite of distractions. It requires concentration, wherein we should focus on one particular problem. Hearing versus listening. Hearing is accidental, but listening is focused. Hearing is involuntary. Listening is voluntary. Hearing is effortless, and listening is intentional. Hearing is a physical ability, while listening is a skill that can be learned. Listening skills allow one to make sense of and understand what another person is saying. Hearing takes place when something disturbs the atmosphere, and the disturbance takes the form of pressure waves that strike our eardrums as sound. Listening is different. It expands on hearing when we pay attention to the meaning of what we hear. Facts about listening. Listening is an important academic, professional, and daily skill. Listening is a skill of critical significance in all aspects of our lives, from maintaining our personal relationships, on getting our job done, on taking notes in class, and so on. Regardless of how we are engaged with listening, it's important to understand that listening involves more than just hearing the words that are directed at us. Listening is an active process by which we make means of, assess, and respond to what we hear. Listening is the key to all effective communication. Without the ability to listen effectively, the messages will be misunderstood, and the communication will break down. It will also affect the sender of the message that he or she will become irritated. Every good conversation starts with good listening. Today's session is very interesting because we could actually come to know the difference between hearing and listening. And why do we say that good communication is good listening? Let's see what we have to say when we say good communication is good listening. So, both listening and speaking are the skills through which we communicate. Speaking without listening is half left, and listening without speaking is also half left. They go hand in hand when we talk about communication. So, communication majorly means speaking and listening at the same time. We have to be active if we want to be effective listener. Active listening involves 4 major steps. Step 1. Getting prepared physically and psychologically. Physically, get good night's rest, eat a good diet, and improve your posture. Psychologically, review the agenda, the issues that will be discussed, and write out some questions you would like to have answered. Step 2. Stay involved. Take notes, ask questions, share your opinions, offer insight, share information, and participate in discussions. Step 3. Keeping an open mind. The key to effective listening is to listen conscientiously for completeness and not jump to his generalizations and conclusions. Listen without judgment until all information has been considered. Step 4. Reviewing and evaluating. This involves two things: review and evaluate the information, and also review and evaluate your performance as a listener. When did you drift off, lose focus, or daydream? When you listen, make sure to follow these 4 steps of active listening so that you can know, understand, and are prepared for gathering and interpreting the information given. Thank you for watching.